Oseọjị. 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 Meaning spicy peanut butter. This is a kind of peanut butter made by blending peanuts and a couple of other spices. And this is used for eating kola nut and garden egg. It's used to serve garden egg and kola nut at any gathering or if someone comes to visit an Igbo household. There's also the original Oseọjị, which is the alligator pepper, but it's not always available. So this Oseọjị spicy peanut butter is used in lieu of that one. Oseọjị. 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 Spicy peanut butter for eating kola nut and garden egg.